Good morning, this is Gabriel Jackson, and welcome to BJC Mitzvah Day, number 55, using the Sefer Chinuch, a mitzvah that keeps your soul on its way. The obligation upon the beis din, the court, to judge cases involving damages by Heveir. These are the damagers of shein and regel, tooth and foot of an animal, as we'll see. And again, this is found in the second book, Parshas Mishpatim, and here we go. If a man permits livestock to devour a field or vineyard, whether he set loose his livestock or he grazed it in another field, from the best of his field and the best of his vineyard shall he pay. That's from Exodus. Shein, literally tooth, and regel, literally foot, are two of the avos nezikin, primary categories of damagers, for whose damages one is obligated to make restitution. These two damagers are mentioned together in the aforecited verse and are the topic of this mitzvah. Shein, again, tooth, refers to damage caused by one's animal through a normal act of eating, such as when one's animal enters another field and eats of his produce. Regel refers to damage caused by one's animal with its feet in the course of its normal walking, such as when it enters another's field and tramples his crop. As indicated by the verse, in each of these cases, the owner of the damaging animal is liable only when the damage is done in the domain of the damaged party, but not if it is done in the public domain. And that's from the Mishnah, Baba Kama. The avos nezikin each have toldos. Again, the primary categories have offspring, subcategories, which are cases that share the same essential characteristics as their av, as their primary category. The essential characteristics of shein, tooth, are that 1, the damage is inflicted through a mode of behavior that is normal for the animal, and 2, the animal engages in the behavior for its own gratification. Acts of damage other than eating that display these characteristics, for example, the animal rubs itself against something to relieve an itch, are toldos of shein, tooth. The essential characteristics of regel, foot, are that 1, the damaging behavior is commonplace for the animal, and 2, the animal had no intent to inflict damage through its actions. Among the toldos, the subcategories of regel, foot, is damage that an animal does by brushing against something with its body as it walks. That's from Baba Kama. As is the case with these avos, these primary categories, liability for the toldos, the subcategories of shein and regel, tooth and foot, is incurred only in the domain of the damaged party. Okay, and we'll continue with this beautiful mitzvah tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Once again, this mitzvah is dedicated in the merit of our Holy IDF soldiers. To sponsor a future mitzvah or to be part of our Chai Club, click the link below. Till then, we'll see you tomorrow.